Pyrekin Studio. A hint from the Parallels universe.
Hey, what's going on? You're trying to share electroplating broccoli in the recipes.
Otherwise,
What will happen? So scary.
otherwise,
You will get fat.
wait a minute, I will go buy the materials. I'm doing well today. I'm wearing a mask. This is it. Inexpensive bathroom hydrochloric acid. It's easy to get this. Here we go. Pyrekin magic. I've already been to the supermarket. Of course, I need to replenish my strength. Okay, take it seriously. Pyrekin magic. The materials to be used today are these two: acid and alkali resistant surfactant, 10% hydrochloric acid. It is only those two? The ingredient is simple, but the principle is not simple. Pour the surfactant into the cup. The ratio is about 3% to 5%. Then pour in hydrochloric acid. Because hydrochloric acid will produce chlorine gas, you must keep ventilation during preparation. The thing in this color reminds you of a drink from your childhood.
What is this? Metallic. Italy.
Maybe wait for the video to be finished, and then buy a bottle to drink. So it's not for nothing, the Pyrekin is fat. Be sure to use acid and alkali resistant surfactant here. If you use general surfactant, it will be like this. Wait a minute and watch its color. Hey, Pyrekin, hurry up! Everyone is waiting for you. This one with dish soap has turned cloudy. Acid and alkali resistant formula is still clear and transparent. The dishwashing liquid turned cloudy because it's destroyed by hydrochloric acid. So we must use acid and alkali resistant formula. Pyrekin, you said it so much, does it really work? Test it out with this piece of rusty iron. Dab a little and smear rust. It is best to wear gloves when using it, otherwise it will be very painful if there is a wound. Pay attention here, the rust is gone. However, it is not a panacea, and holes on it will not disappear.
Pyrekin, hurry up. Try it for me. Who will have unblocked to remove rust?
Here we go to the bathroom and experiment. Take the magic cleaner to the bathroom. The handle is black. Mommy has been unhappy for a long time when she sees it, and asked Dad to replace it long ago. But it's a hassle to replace it. Dad, you don't worry about it anymore, just smear it like this. Try this amazing recipe. Watch for its changes. It starts to shine. It goes back in time. Currently in the stage of a light mature woman. Oh my god, it seems to be 17 years old again. Clean with toilet paper. Although it's not finished yet, it's so bright.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
There are more interesting tests, let's see the next one. I've been want to replace this faucet for long. It's very old and full of scratch. But this one is the most frequently used faucet at home. This faucet is useless except that it doesn't leak. But with this recipe, it can still be rejuvenated. Just rub it with your finger and it will be clean right away. But I don't recommend you to rub it directly with your finger like I do. It's better to wipe it with your clothes. Come on, it's amazing. It gets shining again.
Wow! It's unbelievable. But it's only for bathroom features?
How could it only be used in the bathroom? This cleaner can be used as long as it's electroplated or stainless steel. Look at the door frame of the oven. How can it have two colors? Because I've tried to show it to others before. But it's been many years, and I will try it again today for you to see. This rusted part is over 20 years old. Dab a little cleaner on your finger to wipe off the rust. The older you get, the more experience. This old, rusted part is hard to remove. But our cleaner is not someone to be taken lightly. As Pirate King wiggled his finger lightly, the rusted part gradually disappeared. You see, these rusted parts are dissolved. Don't doubt it's not a commercial. I have told you the recipe for the cleaner. Maybe you can take this recipe and create a brand. Let's call Ocean Rust Remover or something. Let's see its power again.
Oh my goodness! Holy cow! Pirate King, this is ready for sale. I think this is great.
I just want a simple life. Those who need it can make it. You see, this works really well. It can only be said that this is a holy product for household cleaning. But there is still one important point to remind everyone. This is very important. The formula is strongly acidic. So after rust removal, be sure to wipe it off with your dry clothes or toilet paper. Never leave it on metal. Residual hydrochloric acid can corrode the metals if not wiped clean. After the rust remover is prepared, it is pressed in this small jar. It can be used for a long time. Try a few more tries and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Pirate King Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.
对啊，那边有15哎。
会不会用到倒进去的那种？